Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm really excited. I'm doing an unboxing video. Ooh, that shakes. Of a new subscription box that's just launched beginning of September. In the UK it's called the Suli box. This isn't sponsored in any way. This new subscription box is an eco-friendly one. It's based on everything being free from plastic and saving the planet kind of subscription box. It's like a lifestyle one as opposed to a snack one, but everything is vegan. You can get it so it's slightly customizable. You can select different options of household, bathroom, self-care, that kind of thing, to get products that you actually want. It's all wrapped in paper, which is lovely. I just selected I'll have anything because I wanted to see what selection there was in my first box. You can get it as a monthly subscription box or a bi-monthly one, which is really good because, you know, sometimes you want to support these subscription boxes and they sound really cool, but you cannot afford to pay the money every single month. You can also get different sizes. It ranges from the Eco Box, where you can get 4 products, the Extra Eco Box, where you can get 5 to 6, or the Save the Planet box, which is 7 to 8 premium items. They range from like £13 to £25. The one that I've got here is the Save the Planet box. Here it is. What's inside? What's inside? What's inside? Ah, a nice little cute message. Hi Harriet, welcome to the Suli box. That's cute. What have we got here? Quick little prediction that there's going to be a straw, a stainless steel straw, or maybe a toothbrush. To be fair, the toothbrush would be helpful. There's like packing material everywhere. Oh, tote bag. I love a good tote bag. Sustainability is not a hippie thing, it's a survival thing. This, oh crap. Getting overexcited. This is like a decent sized tote bag as well. Amazing. Washing powder. Ooh. That's fun. Lovingly tested on my family. I feel like this is something that's going to be so helpful in the fact that I'm moving soon to my own place, so I'm going to want to be like filling my house with all eco-friendly stuff, but I'm not going to be able to afford most of it, so good to have a good start on it. Nice. Washing powder. That's an unexpected thing. Oh, here we go. Here we go. It feels like a straw. Yeah, straw, cleaning, and there's something else in here. This is just a mini straw. Cool. 2 sizes of straws. I don't know, what would you use this for? My immediate thought is gin and tonic. Nice little bag. Take it around in. Something wrapped in candy. Oh my god, it's got a toothbrush as well. This all wraps up. Yeah, to be fair, I'm all on board with having another toothbrush because I'm going to need to replace my Bamboo one in like a couple of months anyway. What's this? Natural soap bar. Vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil-free. Oh, that's another thing. They make sure everything is palm oil-free. This is really good. I recently filled up a bottle with some from a refill thing and it smells awful. I'm just like wanting to get rid of it. Vanilla coconut cold brew in a glass. Hyper sustainable, it says on here. 100% natural, sugar-free, 0 calories. Vegan. Normal is boring. Awaken your senses. Grab a cold brew coffee and go wild for life. Vanilla coconut cold brew recipe is smoother than a pina colada and more interesting than diving into the sea at a summer pool party. Really? I'm not really a coffee person and I'm not really a coconut person, apart from the savoury stuff. But we'll give it a try. If not, I'll give it to my sister. Best when chilled, just like you. Last thing. Yes! Oh my god, I really hope that this will be in here. It's natural toothpaste. Yes, I want to try some of this. Although, I swear to god, if this is fluoride free, why do people do this? Oh well, I have to use extra fluoride toothpaste. That's a shame, but never mind. I'll give it a try. I'm sure it'll be fine. It's meant to be peppermint and wintergreen, so hopefully it should taste good, but I've heard some natural toothpaste tastes kind of gross. That is it. I'm happy with this washing powder most, to be honest. It's something just different that I wouldn't buy. Like, it's from an Etsy shop, so it's supporting small businesses as well. I wish I could afford to get this box every month.
thank you for watching this video, and make sure you follow the link down below to check out this subscription box, because I think it's worth it. Just as a quick little add-in, I just want to say that since opening this box, I've had a look online at kind of the individual businesses for these products and worked out that for the ones that I could find, because some of them are own brand for the Suli box, this stuff would come to like way over £35 for a £25 subscription box. So I mean, obviously it's going to be cheaper, but it is quite a lot cheaper. And if you are interested in getting one, enter the promo code EcoFriend20, then you get 20% off. And what would be really nice if you do that is if you send them an email and just say, my name is the giver to you of this code, and then I'll get 20% off as well. As I said, I would really appreciate, say that you saw an unboxing video and that sent you back to me to say goodbye. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye.